getting the 5,000, saving the 5,000 bottle of water. Congratulations.
Thank you. It's right here.
There you go.
I'm going to go to Eastern to get my bachelor's in environmental science. I feel like people are needed in that field because when I look outside, I see a lot of trash and it kind of bothers me, and a lot of pollution. I feel like a lot can be done, but it's about each individual and their desire to want to change, what's going on with the planet, all the pollution and all that.